guys, and welcome back to Shelly's Homemade. And today, guys, we're going to be making one pan oven roasted chicken and rice. Alright, for that, you're going to need 8 pieces of chicken. You're going to need a 1/4 cup of flour, some chicken bouillon, 2 cups of rice, 3 cups of water, Shelly's house seasoning, which is salt, pepper, seasoning, garlic, onion powder. You're going to need the Trinity, celery, onion, and green bell peppers. Alright, guys, so let's get started. First thing we're going to do, we're going to add our flour to the pan and flour up that chicken. Alright, let's get it in there. Alright, we're going to add some chicken bouillon and just sprinkle it all over everything. Get with the flour. That flour is going to help thicken up and make a beautiful gravy. Alright, so, and now we're going to add some Shelly's house seasoning. And then we just want to flip that chicken. Got Shelly's house seasoning in there. Alright, now we got that. Now it's time to flip the chicken over, but we're not going to add any more chicken bouillon because that stuff is salty. We don't need it in our meal. So just flip that chicken over just like this, and we're going to let that make gravy on the bottom. Alright, that means we seasoned the flour. And now we got this turned down where we want it. Alright, now let's add our Trinity, that bell pepper, that onion, and that celery. Now you can add carrots to this, guys, if you like, but this is where I'm going with it. Alright, now let's add some more Shelly's house seasoning. And get in there. Don't be afraid to get that seasoning on there. Any old all-purpose seasoning you have will work. But Shelly's house seasoning is salt, pepper, seasoning, garlic, onion pepper. Onion powder. I said onion pepper. Onion powder, guys. That seasoning. That looks really, really well, doesn't it? It looks good already. I haven't even done anything. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees, guys. Alright, so now let's get our water in there. Just 3 cups of water. And pour it on the sides. Don't pour it onto the chicken. Get it onto the side. You want to make an amazing gravy. And this is minute rice. But if you was going to add the regular rice, add it at this point. Okay? Halfway through the cooking process, we're going to add this minute rice. Alright? Alright. Well, just like this. There you have it. I'm just giving it a little shaky, shake, shake. Oh, one more ingredient I didn't pull out is some garlic. Some fresh garlic. Or some minced garlic. I was moving a little too fast. And just the juice and all. Just throw it all in there. It's going to help with that flavor, guys. Chicken bouillon, Shelly's house seasoning, minced garlic, the Holy Trinity, onions, bell pepper, and celery. It's all seasoned in there really good. Now, the only thing we're going to do now is put it in a 425 degree oven. Cook it halfway through, which it's going to take about 30 minutes. We're going to leave it in there for 30 minutes. And then we're going to add the rice and let that rice cook for the other 30 minutes. So this takes an hour to cook. You know, by the time you do takeout and whatever, you can have this already done. Alright, guys, I'll be right back. Okay, so the chicken is starting to brown and it's almost there. So what we want to do now is to add our rice to the party. Like that. Now, let's just add it. And then, now we can just flip the chicken onto the other side. Ooh. There we go. Try not to burn myself as we flip this chicken. Be careful, guys, when you're flipping that chicken. Ooh. You know what? Oh, gravy. You can give her some tongs. Grab some tongs. That way I don't burn myself. And just get those 2 cups of rice in there. That, and you can see the gravy already starting to darken up and get in there. And we want to push that rice down. Look at that. It's going to be beautiful. It's going to taste amazing. You don't need any more Shelly's House seasoning. You don't need any more chicken bouillon. Everything. And that gravy is going to season that rice, guys. It's going to really season that rice. If you feel like you want to put some extra on the chicken because they look pale, feel free to season up your chicken a little more. Just like that. We're going to pop this baby and back into that 425-degree oven for the rest of the cooking time. And when we come back, we're going to eat up some chicken and rice, guys. Chicken and rice. I bet. Yeah, we're going to eat up some chicken and rice. That's because I know that this rice is going to soak up all of that gravy. We're just going to thin it out just a little more. Alright, just like so. Let's get this back into our oven, guys, and I'll see you in a moment. So we're back, and our chicken and rice is out of the oven. Look at that right there. Tell me this is not worthy to be eaten. This. And this, you just use this pan, throw it out when you're done. Because I promise you, it won't be nothing left. Alright, so I'm going to get this rice. Small piece of this chicken. Taste with that Trinity. That garlic. Ooh. Shelly's House seasoning. The perfect amount. The perfect blend of seasonings for everything. Plus some chicken bouillon. And some of that gravy. Oh, man, guys. My new subscribers, welcome. Just wanted to take this time to say that to you. My faithful subscribers, thank you so much for watching this video. And about to burn my mouth because this thing is just out of the oven. But it smells amazing. My whole house smells amazing. I'm trying to tell you, it just smells like you just went to grandma's house and got dinner. I'm trying to tell you. I'm going to blow this thing. Burnt my mouth a little bit. Okay. It's perfectly seasoned. Woo. It's amazing. Y'all gotta like, share, and subscribe. Try this. One pan oven chicken and rice, guys. One pan oven chicken and rice. I'm trying to tell you, it's an easy dish. You just getting off from work. You want to get it done. You want to get this. Oh my god. Don't forget to hit that like button when you subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can get notification of every time the Shelster loads up a dish, guys. This has been fun making this dish with y'all, guys, but I gotta get out of here because I'm gonna dig in. Like, share, subscribe, and as always, guys, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.